More? Maybe. I hate that attic. Never going up there in my bloody life. The attic? Fuck off going up there. I can only get to like here on the ladder. It's bloody pathetic. You find it? All the Halloween stuff?
Halloween stuff here is in this thing.
You can't taunt me like that. Pretend to be bringing down the Christmas stuff and then take it back upstairs.
Oh, sorry.
Lighting's crap, but we're going to deal with it. So we are excited. I love it because we were really excited, and then we were sat here, and then we were watching The Good Place, and they were talking about chicken wings. And then you were like, oh, I'm really hungry, and we were like, should we go Perky and get chicken wings? And you were like, oh my god, and then I was like, oh my god, let's get fucking chicken wings. Like, we literally started jumping on the bed over fucking chicken wings. That's a mood.
That is a mood.
That is literally a mood.
Chicken wings are so
We
good.
literally started like bouncing on the fucking bed about chicken wings. So we're gonna go Perkin, get some chicken wings. Mum's getting back in vodka right now. Gonna get that.
Yep.
Probably drink like some of it.
Yeah, not too much.
And then
I'll
go
probably
get
have
wings.
more when we get back.
Yeah, when we get back. Just get to like tipsy, just so you have like a little bit of a buzz.
Yeah.
I get some wings.
Yep.
Got All Stars. Go play pool. Gonna see if we can meet anybody. If we don't meet anybody, it's just to.
It's fun.
It's chill.
We'll have fun playing pool.
It's chill. I mean, Jordan is out, so I will
Yeah.
call him to see what's going on. Alfie might be free. Sinead might be, but to get a hold of Sinead is like
A challenge. Sometimes.
it's like I don't know. I don't fucking know. It's so hard.
I don't know why.
I don't know because she's like always on her phone. Yeah, but it happens with Coxie though as well. Like it's so hard to get hold of Coxie.
I think that's a guy thing.
But Coxie's
Some guys
always
are
on
really
his
difficult to
phone.
contact. That's a good point, actually. You always see him on his phone.
He's
because
always
of the
home. Like he's not out. He's home. He's on his phone, or he's in bed. Or his phone is next to him
I
at
don't
all
know about
times,
that.
but he's never on it. Anyways, about it for fucking chicken wings.
Chicken
See if I didn't watch The Good
wings.
Place. We only got chicken wings. So
I
we're
love
gonna
The
get
Good
some
Place.
chicken wings. We're gonna eat that chicken wings.
Okay.
We get like
Yeah.
a serving of 10, and we have like 5 each.
Yes.
Do you want to have a little bit of food before we go out? Like not loads, just like
A little
snack
bit,
thing.
yeah.
But then
just-
again, we're still gonna have some money left over to get chicken wings, go play
Yeah.
pool, get some snacky shit. While we're playing pool, we'll see if anyone's coming out, like Sinead, whatever.
Yeah.
I'll call Jordan, see what the fuck's going
I
on
can
with
always
him.
call Sinead.
And if Jordan ain't come, if we don't meet Jordan, if we don't meet Sinead, we'll just play pool,
Yeah.
go get some snacky shit from Morrison's, fuck around in Morrison's for a bit, come back here, dance, get pissed.
Yeah.
Plan?
Plan.
Great plan!
Like this. I like how we went to be camping with loads of people.
we're gonna be camping, and now it's
we're
us two getting pissed and eating barbecue chicken wings.
Yeah, barbecue chicken wings, bro.
Oh,
Yeah,
I love it.
This sounds like a plan.
I love it. No, no, you just like, yeah. You look bomb in this fucking lighting.
Yeah, actually. Oh,
Yeah. I'm always hyping you up.
You are.
Like when I'm pissed or when I'm sober, I'm always hyping you up, but you fucking deserve it.
And I'm
love.
always
You
going-
fucking deserve it, babe. Don't worry about it.
And I'm always going, oh my god, you're such a lovely person.
Yeah, but like in reality, I'm a bitch.
No, but you're really nice to like your friends.
To my friends, yeah.
Exactly.
To people who are bitches to me, I'm like, fuck off. We got our chicken wings. Got our chicken wings. Chicken wings.
They
chicken
smell
wings.
so
They do. Chicken
I'm
wings.
so excited about food.
Do you know that we were watching The Good Place and they had like your favourite meal? Dave, like everyone had their favourite meal on earth. I would legit have the chicken wings from the Perkin.
Can we watch a bit of a good place tonight?
If you want.
After we danced a bit, then a bit of a good place. I really want to watch
Dance
it when
till
I'm
like 3 in the
drunk,
morning
just to
and
see if
dance till
like-
like 3 in the morning and then 3 till like 6 before The Good Place.
Yeah, and then we'll be like, we'll meet Sinead and we'll both be like,
We've been up all night. Imagine if we didn't go to sleep and we were like continuously drinking through the night and then we were just still pissed when we woke up in the morning.
oh my god.
No, because we wouldn't wake up in the morning, we'd still be awake. So we go and meet Sinead or whatever and we're still pissed. I would
That'd be
love
crazy.
that.
I would love that so much.
No, because how the wings
Really spicy.
spicy as fucking it.
I need ketchup. I don't like mayo that much, but we can throw on.
You fucking like drenched it in mayo and now you're having ketchup. What the fuck? Fair enough. We've had like half of our fucking wings.
It's so spicy.
You seen it like that? You were like,
So spicy.
I mean, they can go faster.
Yeah, they could. Show us the actual Oh.
Please select your payment method.
I'm so excited for food. I'm so hungry.
So am I.
Please follow the
Put it on. Put it on. I want a picture. Put it on. I want a picture of you with that on. I want to send people a picture of you with this fucking on. To be fair, if a kid did start running at you with that on, they'd be with. If a kid ran at you with that on, you'd be like, what the fuck? You putting something on then, Philippa?
Get my head in it. Got a big head, you see. Oh my god. It's like breaking my nose.
What's on?
What's on?
They just run at you holding a knife out and they just go, what's
What's on?
They just run away.
And then piss off.
Mate, to be fair, that's a pretty terrifying spider. Wait.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's got whiskers. I didn't even notice that. What the fuck is the other thing? What is the other thing?
What is this? It's fine.
We are legit children. I fucking love it.
What is this?
It's cat ears.
Yeah, but
It's a Snapchat ghost.
who knows that goes?
It's a fucking Snapchat ghost.
Go get you.
It's coming at you.
Jesus.
Hey, man's on a mission. Look at him going.
It's like not good. It's playing the fucking Adams family. Imagine just chilling around the
How
dark.
great is that? For a trick-or-treat bag?
Just put it in your
Why
fucking...
did I not have this as a
Put it in your
child?
sleeve and just be like... Pass me food.
Pass me
Look
food.
how great that is. I'm not even kidding you. Why did I not have this as a child? Why did I just have a
You have one
pumpkin?
giant hand, one tiny hand.
It's great, isn't it? I dropped my bag on the floor. It's probably not even lit.
I'm way too honest when I'm drunk or smoking.
No, it's not lit. I'm
Find someone. I need someone.
I'm trying to
Way
find.
too much. This is me being all open. I need someone.
Listen, my mate Philippa. If you want to hit her up, hit her my Snapchat and I'll tell you her fucking Snapchat. She is sexy as fuck.
Oh, thank
And she's the best girl you can ever fucking have. If you want to have sex, yeah? Do you want sex? Or do you want a relationship? Relationship. Oh, I was gonna
Purely
say.
for the first time I have sex. I don't want to be outside relationship.
I like to be alive. So we're back now.
We are, and I'm really tired. I need to dance and drink.
Yes, you do, because you're staying up for like 4 more hours.
Yes,
at
I
least.
am.
And we need to make muffins.
Yeah, I'm
Or
excited about
cupcakes.
muffins.
I'm wearing devil ears. And I keep calling them ears even though they're horns.
I'm wearing really comfy PJ bottoms.
I gave
They're
them
great.
my Harry Potter ones.
They're so soft.
I gave them my Harry Potter pajamas. And I'm wearing neon pink. Which is like the only thing I own of pink.
Ow, my toe.
So we got chicken wings. They were bomb as fuck.
Good. They were spicy.
I know. I had
Wasn't
them on Friday.
expecting.
I had them on Friday when I went out with Chloe, and I don't remember them being that spicy.
Maybe it was a different one.
No, they were the same ones because they came with the same sauces. But then again, it had that bread sauce on it, and that bread sauce smelled really spicy.
It smelled really spicy.
But
I didn't have any.
But I had that bread sauce on it, and it
Oh.
didn't taste spicy whatsoever. Fuck knows. Maybe it's because I was drinking at the same time.
Yeah, maybe. Where you were this time as well, just not as much.
Yeah, but I wasn't drinking with, like, I only had one drink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but when I was drinking with that, oh, dude, it was like, oh, it was after I had the chicken wings.
Oh, okay.
Fuck knows. Then we went up to All Stars and played pool.
Hello. I look drunk. I promise you I'm actually not that bad. I'm just
The other way. Always.
I promise I'm actually not that drunk. I'm extremely tired. This
If
is
you came to a
tiredness.
video for good lighting, it's not what you're gonna get.
Yeah, sorry.
So how long has it been since we last vlogged? Like 4 hours?
Yeah, the time has flown by. It is officially 4 minutes to 3 o'clock in the morning, and I haven't slept.
It feels like 12.
My bedtime is 10, half 10, guys. I'm trying.
It feels like 12, maybe 1.
And
Obviously,
we're
like a light.
currently making cupcakes.
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 Making chocolate cupcakes, mate.
It's very irritable. Oh gosh, my hand doesn't have grip. I'm so tired.
I guarantee everyone's going to be pissed.
I know, that's what's annoying because I'm actually not that bad.
I think we had like 3. Like none of us are in. Neither of us are in frame.
I don't really know.
Up to a second ago, we were blasting music and having a little bit of a dance party and a chit chat and a natter. But if I play music, I'm gonna get copyrighted, and fuck that. Because if I get copyrighted and I lose my fucking YouTube, then I have to start all over again and like
which is a lot to do.
I feel bad when we use it. I'm just gonna try and make these as quickly as I fucking can. Put them in the
That's
oven.
alright.
And then you have Netflix on your phone, right? We plug your phone. You said you had Netflix. On your
Yeah, I
phone.
have Netflix.
And then we plug it in, go in the front room, bring all of our snacky shit, and start watching The Good Place. And that's probably the reason we wanted to watch The Good Place was to see what it's like when we're pissed.
Yeah.
Is that in here or is that outside? Who is in here?
That's in here.
It's 3 o'clock, and my dad has to get up in like 2 hours for work. So I think Dad's gonna come down with this. I don't know if you'll still be awake.
I don't think I'll make it 2 more
I'll
hours.
probably still be awake. Do you remember what it said to add next? Did it say the milk or the flour or is it both? Oh, it's on your phone, so you can check. The lighting's really bad. Should I change it or not?
We can use my phone. I mean, I don't know if it'll be any better on my phone though.
Should we use it on?
I'm so tired.
You got 3 ponytails. The one's for me, but I've never tried that one.
They're really good. And I'm eating both of them as soon as I get home, but I might have to walk home, which I don't want to.
Can't get the fucking
Yes.
That's the side. You can't really see it, but it's like unbelievably blue. I'll take a picture.
Stomach is currently hating me. Calm down, stomach. It's okay.
I never tried a. Oh, it's gonna be really hard. I don't know if it's gonna be possible.
Just take the chocolate off the top and you can have it, and then like that. I'm not too bothered about having loads of food.
Do you want to have a bit?
No, it was honestly fine. I'm much more like in the mood for savoury food, but I'm wanting to try the cake.
Really cut down the middle and
It's so blue.
I'm gonna show it, but I'll take a picture.
Like against the top side, it's really blue on the inside.
I'll take like a picture with the flash on.
That's so good.
Holy fucking shit, that's good.
I was so hungry. That is a good ass cupcake. And the galaxy chocolate is delicious.
Mate, especially making them pissed at 3 in the morning.
I'm impressed we managed to actually make it without like.
Fucking it up so bad. I thought I thought it was gonna be fucked
To be
up
fair,
on the edge.
we weren't too drunk.
I thought it was gonna be messed up on the edge. I thought I was gonna like whack it and it just all crack and I'm trying to take the bits out. Another one.
We actually weren't drunk, we were tired, that's what it was.
Yeah, being tired and drunk is the same thing.
That's true.
Because we weren't just like a little bit tired, we were overly fucking tired.
Yeah, I was nearly asleep.